For this video, we're going to be looking at how to add a chart into Microsoft Word. So to add a chart, we go to our Insert tab, and up here we can see the chart option. So it makes it easy to spot patterns and trends in your database by inserting a bar, area, or line chart. So if we click on that, alright, Insert Chart, we can choose the type of chart we want. I'm just going to go for a little bit of a pie chart, and we can select the type of pie chart we want. We can go pie, 3D pie, pie of pie, pie of bar of pie, and donut. Let's stick with the pie option. Okay, click OK. It starts to insert for us. There we go. Our chart has been added. Okay, so as soon as it gets added, this little Microsoft Excel type of block appears. So what we can do is up here, the very first one where it says sales, that there is our title. So let us call this, what should we call it? Projection. We can name it projection. As you see, as we type it, it is instantly changed. So projection, let's keep it as the quarters throughout the year. Now projection, we can say for the first quarter, we're going to project it to be 100. I move to the next line. Okay, as you can see, it's automatically updated. In the second quarter, we want it to be a 150 projection because we know that second quarter is always better than the first. Third quarter is never the best, so let us stick that at 80. Okay, and then the last quarter, because it's entering the year, we know it's going to be the best, so we're going to put it at 185. And look at that, our chart has been updated for us instantly. Once we're done with this, we can close that. Okay, let's click back on the chart, and we get some options here. So this first block here is chart filters, chart styles. We can add a chart element, so data labels, charts, legends. This bottom part here is obviously our legend, so let's look at that. Right, top, left, bottom. Okay, or we can come up here and we can go to our format option, and we can format the look of it, but we don't always necessarily work in that. We normally work under the design option. So we can add a chart element, quick layout, we can change the colors of our chart, we can change the style of our chart, we can select the data, we can edit the data, or we can go ahead and change the chart type. So let's change that to donut. Okay, all our information is still the same, hasn't been changed. And let's go change the look of it. There we go. So our projection for the chart has been changed, and we have edited it slowly. This is another thing where you can spend some time playing around with it. So that is how you insert a chart in Microsoft Word.